A good day, Mom and Sir. I'm Mary Jane Fintispina, 41 years old. I'm computer programming undergraduate. I have one son, 20 years old. I am married, separated in 14 years. I have 2 years experience before in Kuwait. They have 4 family members in the family, and my main duties there is taking care of the disabled lady. After my duties, I help also with the co-workers, like cleaning the house, ironing, washing clothes, and gardening. After my Kuwait, I work also in Malaysia for 4 years. My main duties there is taking care of the 5 years old grandchild. We have 5 family members in the family. And after I taking care of the grandchild, I do housework like cleaning the house, gardening, marketing, car washing, and everything in the house like cooking. After my work in the house, I do also paperwork in office with my boss. And after my Malaysia, I have also experience in Hong Kong for 2 years and 6 months. My main duties there is cleaning in the house, like cooking, ironing, washing clothes, gardening, and everything in the house. Thank you.